Hi, third grade. Let's get started on math. Today we're on lesson 6.6 called Model with Arrays. How can you use arrays to solve division problems? So this year we have used arrays to solve multiplication problems, and we can also use them for division. Okay, so we are not going to be using tiles. We're just going to be drawing our array. So I want you to actually turn the page. And we're going to start on page 334. So it says, you can write a division equation to show how many rows of 5 are in 30. Show the array you made by completing the drawing below. So we're going to draw 5 rows and make sure there's 30 altogether. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Let's keep finishing it. 3, 4, 5. So it's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many rows did we make? We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 5 in each. So we would say that 30 divided by the 5 groups is 6. There are 6 rows of 5 tiles in 30. So 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Okay, let's try another one. This one says to count 24 tiles. So our total is going to be 24. Make an array with the same number of tiles in 4 rows. Place 1 tile in each of the 4 rows. Then continue placing 1 tile in each row until we've used all the tiles. So we're going to just start drawing this. So 24 is the number we have to stop at. And we have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put another in each row until we've gotten to 24. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so we have 4 rows. How many tiles are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next question is, what division equation can you write for your array? Well, we had 24 and we divided it into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals how many are in each row? 6. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Okay, let's turn the page. Number 1, how many rows of 3 are in 18? So we're going to be drawing these pictures. How many rows of 3 are in 18? So that means, oops, over here, where we have room, we're going to start drawing rows that have 3 in them, like this. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do that until we get to 18. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many rows of 3 is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 rows. Let's do this one. Number 2, how many rows of 6 are in 12? So we're going to make a row of 6 until we get to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 2 rows. Okay. Let's do number 3. How many rows of 7 are in 21? Now we're going to draw a row of 7, and then we're going to keep doing it until we get to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 3 rows. Okay, this one. How many rows of 8 are in 32? So we're going to draw rows of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when I make my next row, I want to try and line all of these circles up. That's going to make it easy for me to just keep counting. So that was 8. So this one is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. How many rows of 8 is that? 4 rows of 8. All right. Let's do a few over here. So this one says make the array and then write the division equation. So 25 tiles and 5 rows. So we're going to start drawing rows of 5 until we get to 25. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have 25 tiles, and we divided it into how many rows? 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 5 in each. So that's 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Okay, let's do this next one. 14 tiles and 2 rows. So we know we have to have 2 rows. All right. So let's put 1 in each until we get to 14. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many are in each row? 7. So that's 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Okay, let's do number 8. 27 tiles in 9 rows. So we have to have 9 rows. So let's count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to do that again until we get to 27. So put another in each row. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Do it again. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So that's 27 divided by 9 rows equals 3 in each row. Okay. I want you to turn the page, and we're going to start on unlocking the problem. Okay. Thomas has 28 tomato seedlings to plant in his garden. He wants to plant 4 seedlings in each row. How many rows of tomato seedlings will Thomas plant? Okay, so Thomas has 28 tomato seedlings, and he wants to plant 4 seedlings in each row. So we need to know how many rows of tomato plants will he need. So what do we need to find? How many rows of tomato seedlings? Or we can just say, how many rows will he plant? How many rows will he plant? We know he has 28 plants and we know he wants to put 4 in each row. We need to figure out how many rows is that. Okay. And then the next question says, what operation could you use to solve the problem? When it says operation, our 4 operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Which one could we use to solve the problem? Okay, a possible answer is division. And we're going to be using that one today. Okay, next it says draw an array to find the number of rows of tomato seedlings. So we don't know how many rows. What we do know is that he has 28 and he wants to have 4 in each row. So what we're going to do is draw a row of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do that until we get to 28. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Is it 24? No. Okay, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so we have rows of 4, a total of 28. How many rows is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's complete these sentences. Complete the sentence. Thomas has 28 tomato seedlings. He wants to plant 4 seedlings in each row, so Thomas will plant 7 rows of tomato seedlings. Let's write the division problem here. Even though it's not asking us to, we're going to. So he has 28 plants. He divides them into how many rows? Into 7 rows. That's 4 plants in each row. Okay. All right. This is our last one before homework. Number 13. Paige walked her dog 15 times in 5 days. She walked him the same number of times each day. How many times did Paige walk her dog each day? All right, so Paige walked her dog 15 times in 5 days. So we know she's going more than once a day. We want to know how many times did she walk her dog each day? Okay. So we know we have 5 days. Oh, and then it says shade squares to make an array to model the problem. So we're going to make an array using these squares. So we know she goes 5 days in a row. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we know she goes 15 times. So we're going to do it again. We're going to do another group of 5 and keep going until we get to 15. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, how many are in each row? 3. So we know she goes 3 times a day. So if we were to write this as a division problem, it would be she walks her dog 15 times divided by the 5 days in a row equals 3 times a day. All right, thanks, 3rd grade.